Powdery mildew is unfortunately extremely common. It happens because of damp, humid conditions, and what you see is these sort of white spots. You can see this here on the zucchini plant, and even it's sort of spreading to the stems of the plant too. So I'm going to share with you today just a quick organic fix of how to treat powdery mildew. And if you don't, it will impact the plant. This sort of white powdery look will actually cause more damage to the leaves and eventually impact how the plant survives. So you'll need baking powder, or baking soda, 3 teaspoons of baking soda in your sprayer, 1 teaspoon of Dawn or liquid washing up liquid, and an oil. I used neem oil. Neem is great for many plant related issues, and it's 1 teaspoon of neem oil, and then about 500 mils or half of your sprayer tank. And the key with spraying anything on your plants is test it. So do 1 test leaf first, see how that does before you spray the rest of the plant. Because sometimes if it's too strong, it will actually burn the leaves of the plant. So here I had done the test spray, and now I'm spraying the rest of the plant. And when you are spraying the rest of the plant, spray it thoroughly, spray all the leaves. The young leaves are the most susceptible, but the older leaves are the ones that are carrying obviously the most of that powdery mildew. And powdery mildew is essentially a fungus. And as mentioned, humid, wet conditions, also because the plant leaves are sort of growing on top of each other, there's not enough air circulation. So it really just fosters an environment for growing this fungus. So this is the day after I had sprayed with the treatment. Obviously you can still see a little bit of the powdery mildew. I mean, you have to treat it a couple of times, but you can see that the sort of white spots are dissipating and you're left with just a bit of the damage here. And the younger leaves are starting to thrive and show that sort of green without the powder on them. So, hopefully a few more days of this treatment and this plant will be back. It is producing, and hope you enjoyed that quick hack. Enjoy gardening.